Prairie Central Co-op's educational series on patronage. What is patronage? When Prairie Central has a profit or a surplus at the end of the year, the Board of Directors may vote to declare a share of the surplus to patrons. That surplus is allocated in proportion to a patron's business with the co-op in that fiscal year. The allocation to patrons is called patronage. Let's take a look at the history of patronage for Prairie Central Co-op and its patrons the past 15 years. As you can see, the co-op has had profits of $43 million over that time. $16.6 million of that profit has been returned to the patrons in patronage refunds, while $24.9 million has been allocated in stock of the co-op to be redeemed or paid back in the future. How is patronage usually distributed? Historically, patronage has been distributed on a 40-60 split. 40% of the patronage is paid in cash, while the remaining 60% will be allocated in stock in the patron's name. How is patronage calculated? In order to calculate a member's patronage, the co-op must first determine what services will be included. Throughout the years, Prairie Central has included the following services in that year's patronage: bushels of corn, soybeans, and wheat that is purchased, grain drying income, storage income, deferred pricing income. Let's take a look at an example of how patronage is calculated. In 2018, Farmer John delivered and Prairie Central Co-op purchased 20,000 bushels of corn, 10,000 bushels of soybeans, and paid $2,752 in drying charges to the co-op. At the conclusion of fiscal year 18, the co-op and its board of directors declared patronage of 10 cents per bushel on all grain purchased and 25% on grain drying. In calculating the patronage, Farmer John earned $2,000 for corn bushels, $1,000 for soybean bushels, and $688 for his grain drying charges. Farmer John's total patronage for 2018 was $3,688. Following the historical distribution of the patronage, Farmer John received a patronage refund of $1,475 in cash, with the remaining 60% allocated in patronage stock in Farmer John's name. Thank you for taking the time to view our educational series on patronage.